Let's learn the relation names with the help of flashcards. Thanks for landing here. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun. Pets, P for pets. Parents, P for parents. Mummy, M for mummy. Baby, B for baby. Daddy, D for daddy. Aunt, A for aunt. Uncle, U for uncle. Brother, B for brother. Grandpa, G for grandpa. Family, F for family. Grandma, G for grandma. Sister, S for sister. Uncle, U for uncle. Grandma, G for grandma. Grandma, G for grandma. Family, F for family. Parents, P for parents. Parents, P for parents. Grandpa, G for grandpa. Sister, S for sister. Daddy, D for daddy. Aunt, A for aunt. Brother, B for brother. Brother, B for brother. Mummy, M for mummy. Brother, B for brother. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun.